Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about our project, a decentralized crowdfunding platform using Ethereum smart contracts and deploying on the Cephalia testnet. Myself, Ritvik, I'm going to do this project along with my teammates, Devin, Puneet, Ramakrishna, and Sudhakar. And outline of this project looks like mm, we have introduction, related work, gaps and problem statement, objective, existing model, along with that proposed model, conclusions and references. And now I'm going to explain the introduction part. And actually, it is a decentralized crowdfunding platform using Ethereum smart contracts deployed on the Cephalia testnet. Crowdfunding is a method where people raise money from the public for things like startups and innovative projects and social causes. It is a great way to gather and support the startup social causes and innovative ideas. But the problem is most traditional crowdfunding platforms are centralized. That means there is a company managing everything. They control the campaign, charge high fees, and process isn't always transparent. To solve this, we built a platform using blockchain technology. Blockchain mainly provides three important benefits that are they are transparency, all transactions are public and visible, immutability, data can't be changed once stored, decentralization, no central authority controls the system, and we used Ethereum smart contracts to manage the campaigns. These are programs written on the blockchain that automatically handles donations, goal trackings, and fund transfers. We deployed everything on the Cephalia testnet, which is a testing version of Ethereum, where we can experiment without using real money. It helped us verify all the core features. And now I'm going to explain the need of this application and importance of this application. Actually, by using this decentralized crowdfunding platform, we can eliminate need for intermediates in the fundraising and ensures traceability for the donor and identify by using blockchain. And in this, mainly we have advantage like no intermediates are required. There is no middleman like bank or company. Funds go directly from the donor to the smart contract. This reduces delays and builds the trust to donors and the users who are using. This is fully traceable, and it lowers the fee, and it also gives the real-time updates. Like user can see how much money has been raised, how many people are donated, and how much time is left. All are live and transparent in this decentralized crowdfunding platform. And global reach, anyone from anywhere in the world can donate using a crypto wallet like MetaMask. No banks, no currency limits. It is fast and borderless. So overall, our decentralized platform is secure, efficient, and global, and designed for modern fundraising without relying on centralized platforms. And now remaining parts are discussed by my teammates.
Very good evening, sir. My name is Pakala Punit. My registration number is 23MID0291. So today, I like to talk about some of the related work that lays the foundation for our project and helps identify current gaps in the blockchain-based application. In the recent years, the blockchain has proven to be a powerful technology across many sectors like coding system, document verification, and fundraising. But despite strengths like transparency, decentralization, and immutability, many real-world applications still faces challenges around scalability, storage, and user adoption. So we have analyzed four key research works which highlight this very clearly. The first paper we researched was Deshmukh et al. In 2022, introduced a blockchain-based document certification system built in the Hyperledger Fabric framework. So the solution enables smart contract for document validation, transparent and tamper-proof storage, streamlined access control. However, it has some disadvantages like it doesn't support KYC and also have less scalability like it don't have any basic layer 2 networks. So these limitations make it very hard to adopt in real world environments. Uh, so the second paper we researched was published by Cadwell et al. Journal of Blockchain Applications. So he proposed the voting systems on Ethereum blockchain. They use MetaMask integration and Web3.js SDK to provide. So secure decentralized access, immutable records of votes, transfer to execution of logic. But this solution has its drawbacks, particularly lacks of user-friendly interface. This is the main reason. So the second one is no support for IPFCs, which means no way to store files securely. And challenges are adopting in the platform for wider public use. The third one was based on the Ethereum implementation, focusing on content authentication using smart contracts and MetaMask. So while it offers good transparency and proof of origin for digital content, suffers from some of network delays, high gas fees on the Ethereum mainnet. So again, we see transparency but without usability and efficiency. Finally, the most relevant work to the domain was Patil and Ayer, which was proposed in 2021, who built a decentralized crowdfunding platform on Ethereum. They used a Ganachi for simulation and integrated smart contracts and that ensure community validation for campaigns. Enforce contribution limits. These address the trust issues crowdfunding platforms, but isn't still limited in several ways. It doesn't support real crypto wallets for deployment. So what I conclude is all the solutions. So how blockchain can bring trust, decentralization, and transparency to the real world application, but most of these them face challenges when it comes to the usability, scalability, uh, you know, better file storage using IPFS, multi-platform UI support. However, our proposed system tries to address these gaps by combining IPFCs for secure media storage, layer 2 blockchain support for the cost efficiency, and a responsive front end that works across devices. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhaiya Ramkrishna. My registration number is 23MID0256. Uh, in this project and in this slide, in this presentation, I going to explain about summary of gaps in literature study. Firstly, most platforms are not decentralized. That means a central authentication controls the crowdfunding the process. Second, there is poor integration of Web3 tools and user-friendly interfaces. This makes it hard for new users to understand and use. Third, existing decentralized apps uh, lack in module design. That means user can't easily customize or expand the apps. Lastly, campaign creators over their don't have fully control. Most platforms limit their options. And we're going to the next slide, the problem statement. So, what is the problem? We are trying to solve. We are trying to solve. We aim to design and build a decentralized crowdfunding app. It will use Ethereum smart contracts on the testnet. The goal is to make funding secure, transparent, and easy to use without needing middlemen like banks or agencies. This is the problem statement. And the next slide, objectives. To achieve this, we have few clear objectives. Firstly, we will identify the problem in the centralized crowdfunding system, and next, we will create smart contracts to make donations secure and traceable. Then we will use React.js and MetaMask for smooth Web3 interactions. Our app our app will support campaign creators, donations, and wallet connections. And finally, we'll make sure it will follow all the legal data and protections rules. These are the objectives of our project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm P. Satyapraveen and my registration number is 23MIC0070. Today I'm gonna explain about my project crowdfunding using blockchain technologies. I will explain the key difference between traditional crowdfunding platforms and our blockchain based solution called CrowdChain. This is review one of our project. Now let's look at how current crowdfunding platforms operate. This centralized systems requires investors to send money, usually in a stable coins to the platform's own wallet. The platform then controls this money completely, acting as a middleman between donors and project creators. They charge significant fee, often around 10% of every donation, which is very high. There are also regulatory checks and compliance process that slow everything down. The biggest problem is that creators have to wait weeks or even months to receive their funds. While the platform verifies everything, the system lacks transparency and force everyone to trust the platform completely. Now, let me introduce our solution called Crowdchain. We have built a decentralized platform that removes all this middleman using blockchain technologies. Our system has three main components working together. First is the user interface built with React.js and Tailwind CSS, making it easy for everyone to create campaigns or donate within just a few clicks. Second is the MetaMask integration that lets user keep control of their funds through their personal crypto wallets. The most important part is our smart contract connection that handles everything automatically. We have developed two types of smart contracts that make this work. The campaign factory contracts creates new fundraising campaigns and keeps track of them all on the blockchain. Each individual campaign then gets its own contract that automatically accepts donation in ETH, carefully records every contribution, and either releases funds to the creator when the goal is met or refund donors if the campaign isn't successful. All of this runs on Sepolia testnet using Solidity, with Third Web helping connect everything smoothly. The advantages of our projects are our approach is very clear. There are almost no fees beyond the basic network costs. Transaction happens instantly without waiting for approval. Most importantly, every transaction is recorded permanently on the blockchain, providing complete transparency that provide platforms can't match. While current system takes weeks and charges high fees while requiring blind trust, our solution works very quickly, cheaply, and verifiably. We currently have this system fully working on Sepolia TextNet, demonstrating how blockchain can make crowdfunding fairer and more efficient. That concludes review one of our projects. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Sudhagar, ME. My registration number is 23MID0410. Our topic is decentralized crowdfunding platform. I'm going to present conclusion and references part. As we conclude our presentation on CrowdChain, let's briefly reflect on what we accomplished and learned. CrowdChain is designed to offer a secure, transparent, and decentralized crowdfunding platform. Through the power of blockchain, we eliminate the need for third-party intermediaries, which not only reduces cost but also increases trust and accountability in fundraising efforts. One of the key strengths of this system is that campaigns are self-managed and immutable, ensuring that once deployed, they cannot be trapped with. This boosts the confidence among the donors and supports transparency throughout the funding life cycle. Moreover, this platform is built with scalability and compliance in mind. We have ensured that architecture can support a future growth, including enhancements such as NFT-based rewards and mobile application integration, both of which are aimed at improving user engagement and retention. To build this project, we leveraged a reverse tech stack. We used React SJ for the front-end, Tailwind CSS styling, and Solidity to write smart contracts. The platform operates on Sequoia Ethereum testnet with MetaMask for wallet integration and Third Web SDK acting as a middleware. We also used AirTrade for development and testing. And finally, our references come from trusted and widely used source in blockchain spaces. The official Ethereum Foundation site, Solidity documentation, Third Web SDK portal, MetaMask official website. These resources guide us in ensuring our implementation follows a best practice and current industry stands. Thank you. We hope Cloudchain serves as a strong example of how blockchain empowered the failure of digital, reducing